firstly, to all our clients, our friends, our family, our Twitter, Facebook and YouTube followers, wish you a very Merry Christmas, and we're going to celebrate it by me doing this. Cheers. Apparently these are really hot chillies. Hey you! Holy Christ! That's a bit hot. Cheers and Merry Christmas! Wow! Oh God, that's hot! Oh, get it?
Trying to get it.
There we go.
Well, you don't look very well.
Burning my ear rolls. Is that possible? Oh! Oh my God! No help. Merry Christmas, everybody! You can stop filming now because I'm dying.
Are you sure?
Give you some madras to cool it down.
Yeah, madras to cool it down.
Sorry, comrade.
It's like my ears are on fire. Wow. Mint.
Hey, quiet, you're finished. You just quiet.
I'm sweating.
I've got a little subtitle now.
Should be a curry. Have some mint.
Drink it. Drink the mint.
My eyes watering.
And the sympathy from the table.
My lovely staff, by the way. Yeah, bastard. I shouldn't put that in the email newsletter, but it's too late.
We'll edit that.